Gail Banks, and welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and thank you to my existing subscribers. Today, guys, I'm coming to you with a small project share. I purchased the Anna Griffin birthday card making kit from HSN, oh, maybe a couple of months ago, several months ago, and it's been sitting and sitting. So I wanted to challenge myself to make 3 cards with everything that's in the box. And I wasn't going to use anything else. No die cutting machine, no trimmer, no scoreboard, nothing like that. All I used was some pop dots, some glue, and some glue dots to make these cards. But let me tell you what comes in the box. Let me pick this box up, okay? Hold on. So, in this birthday box kit, you get some pop dots. Sorry for the crinkling. I didn't use any of those. I used what I had in a couple I had in my stash, and now that I'm thinking about it, I shouldn't have used them. And you get these little embellishments, these little birthday sayings in different sizes and shapes. You get some die cuts. Of course, you get her famous bows. These came in a gold and like it's a green color, a hunter green, or maybe it's a greenish color, sorry. You get card blanks. You get her famous gold paper, excuse me, and I didn't use any of that. You get these little card inserts, and they come in different shapes, not shapes, different colors with different designs on them. You get these little die cut pieces, and of course her famous flowers. So, oh, and I forgot, hold the horses. And you get envelopes. Okay, that came all in this box. Like I said, I used everything in the box with the exception of this gold paper. So let me show you. Let me move this out the way. And let me show you the 3 cards that I created. Here's the first card. And guys, this totally took me out of my comfort zone. But I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could do it. So here's one of the little embellishments. This was a die cut piece. This was one of the flowers. And right here was one of those cards that I showed you. So I created that. And of course on the back, she has handmade by. I didn't put anything in the center because I didn't want to use my die cutting machine and I didn't want to use a trimmer. I just wanted to challenge myself to see could I make something that was within that box without adding anything extra. So that's the first card. Here's the second card. In the second card, there's the famous gold bow of hers. The card base, one of those cards I glued down. This is all one piece right here. And I just glued that down. And this is one of the embellishments that was popped up. Isn't that gorgeous? I like it. I think I did a great job. And of course, that's what the back is. And put that right up there. Last but not least, I did this one. I used the card base. Here was one of those gold die cut pieces that was in the kit. I used 2 of the different flowers. And guys, these flowers are already kind of, I don't know if you can see it, dimensional and popped up. So is this little embellishment and even the sentiment. And all I did was glued everything down, put a glue dot on the bow, and there we have it. So these are the 3 cards that I created out of the Anna Griffin birthday card making kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. Leave a comment below. I will respond to my comments. Did you pick up or do you have in your stash this Anna Griffin birthday card making kit? If so, have you created anything with it? If not, bust it out and let's see what you can come up with. I want you guys to continue to stay safe. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.